Hello there. Today, I'm going to explain to you what systems thinking is and how we can use it in our personal, professional, and community lives. Systems thinking is a way of looking at the world around us and understanding how different parts of a system are connected and affect each other. It helps us see the big picture and how everything is related. For example, let's think about a garden. A garden is a system made up of many parts, like the soil, plants, insects, and weather. If we only focus on one part, like the plants, we might forget about the soil and how it affects the health of the plants. Systems thinking helps us understand that everything is connected and affects each other. Now, let's talk about how we can apply systems thinking in our personal lives. This means using systems thinking to understand and improve our relationships, health, and personal development. For example, if we're having a problem with a friend, we can use systems thinking to understand how our actions affect them and how their actions affect us. We can also use systems thinking to make healthier choices by understanding how our diet, exercise, and sleep habits affect each other. In our professional lives, we can use systems thinking to address complex problems in the workplace. This includes project management, decision-making, and leadership. For example, if we're working on a project with a team, we can use systems thinking to understand how each person's role affects the project's success. We can also use systems thinking to make better decisions by understanding the consequences of each option and how it affects the whole system. Lastly, we can use systems thinking in our community and society to understand and address systemic issues like sustainability, social justice, and public policy. For example, we can use systems thinking to understand how our actions affect the environment and how we can make changes to be more sustainable. We can also use systems thinking to understand how policies affect different parts of society and how we can advocate for change. Overall, systems thinking is a powerful tool that helps us understand how everything is connected and affects each other. We can become more effective problem solvers and decision makers by applying systems thinking in our daily lives.